On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2006 Monaco Signature 43. You'll marvel at the spacious interior, which is beautifully enhanced by this unique ceiling design. The floors gleam with high-gloss tile, and the sculptured carpet adds a graceful flourish in the living area. The exquisite craftsmanship, with hardwood raised panel cabinet doors and decorative hardwood slide-out fascia. Supreme comfort awaits you in the luxurious private quarters. A bedroom dresser with raised panel drawer faces, a large wardrobe closet. The beautiful bathroom vanity has a stylish, integrated sink and ceramic tile backsplash. You'll appreciate the large shower with ceramic tile accents, a caddy, and a shower head with volume control. You're going to love the impeccable styling of this 2006 Monaco Signature 43. We have hundreds of pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.